Welcome to the tutorial of GYENNO Bravo Twist. Before the first use, the device needs to be charged for at least 3 hours. We have included a charging cable in the package box. Plug round DC port of the cable into the charging port at the bottom of GYENNO Bravo Twist, and plug the adapter into a power outlet. When the indicator is constantly yellow, the device is charging. When the indicator is constantly green, the device is fully charged. Before turning on the GYENNO Bravo Twist, please unplug the charging cable, remove the device cover and put the strap on your wrist. Make sure that the arrow on the left or right is pointing towards you. Press on/off button for 2 seconds to start the spoon. Please wait for the device to complete the self-adaptation process before the first use, and avoid shaking it forcefully during this time. Once the self-adaptation process is completed, you can start using the GYENNO Bravo Twist. GYENNO Bravo Twist has 2 replaceable head attachments for different foods, which can be changed based on your needs. Before replacing the attachment, turn off the device by holding the on/off button for 1 second. Make sure the device is switched off while replacing the attachment. Due to the magnetic connection between the attachments and handle, you can easily switch the attachments by pulling and pushing. After the replacement is completed, you can press the power button for 2 seconds to start the device. Press and hold the button on the side of the handle to launch the twist mode, which makes it easy to eat noodles. After finishing your meal, please press and hold the power button for 1 second to turn off the device. After the device is off, please clean the head attachment with water. Please make sure the head attachment has been removed from the handle to avoid splashing or immersing the handle part, and the head attachment is dishwasher safe. When doing daily storage, make sure the head attachments and handle are cleaned and completely dry before storage. Please place the cover on while storing. Do not store the device in high temperature or high humidity environments. For prolonged periods of non-use, ensure the device is fully charged before storage. To maintain battery health, please charge the device each month. There is one important thing you should know. Never clean the handle part with a dishwasher and strictly prohibit high-temperature sterilization or putting it in the microwave. Search for GYENNO Spoon in the Google Play or App Store. Download and install the mobile application. Register a new account and log in. The first login, you will be prompted to pair your device. Scan the QR code at the label of GYENNO Bravo Twist to pair your device. Press and hold the power button until the yellow light flashes to enter network configuration mode. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Please note that the device only supports 2.4G frequency band. Wait for the device to complete network configuration and pop up a connection successful prompt. Thank you for watching the tutorial of GYENNO Bravo Twist. Now you can enjoy your meal.